Intellectual property rights gives the creators or developers of the property certain exclusive rights to reap commercial benefits from their creative work or reputation. There are various sorts of intellectual property protection, such as patents, copyright, trademarks, and so on. A copyright protects original works of authorship that are fixed in a tangible medium or expression, such as literary, musical, and theatrical works, as well as photographs, audio, and visual recordings, software, and other intellectual works. Copyright laws varies from country to country. So what I did is that I looked for 5 most important copyright laws in our country or in the Philippines. Here are the 5 most important copyright law in the Philippines. Number 1. Intellectual Property Code of the Philippines, Republic Act Number 8293. The Intellectual Property Code of the Philippines is the primary legislation that governs copyright protection in the country. It establishes the rights of copyright owners, including the exclusive rights to reproduce, distribute, perform, and display their works. The law also outlines the duration of copyright protection and provides provisions for fair use and limitations to copyright. Number 2. Moral rights. The Intellectual Property Code recognizes moral rights, which grant authors and creators the right to be identified as the authors of their works and to object to any distortion, mutilation, or modification that may harm their reputation. Moral rights are perpetual and cannot be assigned or waived. Number 3. Fair use. The Intellectual Property Code provides for fair use, allowing limited use of copyrighted works without permission from the copyright owner. Fair use is permitted for purposes such as criticisms, comment, news reporting, teaching, scholarship, and research. The law outlines the factors to consider when determining fair use, including the purpose and character of the use, the nature of the copyrighted work, the amount used, and the effect on the market for the original work. Number 4. Copyright infringement. Copyright infringement occurs when someone violates the exclusive rights of a copyright owner without permission. In the Philippines, copyright infringement is a criminal offense under the Intellectual Property Code, and offenders may face imprisonment and fines. Civil remedies such as damages and injunctions are also available to copyright owners. Number 5. Digital Millennium Copyright Act or DMCA provisions. The Philippines has adopted provisions similar to the DMCA to address copyright issues in the digital environment. These provisions include making it illegal to circumvent technological environment. Number 5. Digital Millennium Copyright Act or DMCA provisions. The Philippines has adopted provisions similar to the DMCA to address copyright issues in the digital environment. These provisions include making it illegal to circumvent technological protection measures or TPMs and providing a safe harbor for Internet service providers or ISPs against copyright infringement claims. The law also outlines the process for issuing takedown notices to ISPs when infringing content is identified.